Hello silly bakers, let's make this simple, healthy chocolate brownie banana bread. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to grease and line an 8x4 loaf pan. We will need a large bowl. We will need 3 large bananas, which is 1 1/4 cups worth of bananas, and I have mashed them. We'll need 2 eggs plus 1 egg white, or 3 whole eggs, or you can also use flax eggs. 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and that's the only sweetener that we will add because the bananas are quite sweet. 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. And we're going to give our wet ingredients a good mix. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Our dry ingredients, we'll need 1 1/2 cups of almond flour and 1 cup of oat flour. You can use 2 1/2 cups worth of either or, whatever works for you. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and we are going to need good quality cocoa powder. I like to sift the cocoa powder before adding it just to get rid of any lumps, and this is half a cup of cocoa powder. And my secret ingredient when making anything chocolate is some espresso powder. This is optional, but it really brings out the chocolate flavor. We'll need about 2 teaspoons worth. And we're going to give everything a good mix. And we're going to add half a cup of chocolate chips. You could also use chopped walnuts, chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of each. You can do whatever you like here and use any chocolate chips that you love. I have transferred the batter to my pan and I'm just going to smooth out the top, and we're just going to add a few more chocolate chips to the top, just about 2 tablespoons or so. You could also do chopped walnuts, chopped pecans, whatever works for you. I'm just going to use my spatula to incorporate them into the batter. And we're ready to bake. We're going to bake at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And the house will smell divine. Enjoy our healthy chocolate brownie banana bread. At approximately 230 calories a slice, 7 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. This is probably one of my favorite banana bread recipes of all time. I really hope you guys give this one a try. The kids will really love this one too. It is so, so good.